These are some potatoes I have left over from breakfast. They were starting to sprout, so I cooked them. And I realized, oh my gosh, I can use these to make more potatoes. So today I'm going to plant them and see what happens. This is my first time ever doing this, so I'm curious to see what will happen. So this is what I'm using. Flower pot and all-purpose potting mix. And it says it's for indoor, outdoor containers or pots. And right here for potted fruits, flowers, herbs, and vegetables. So I'm really excited to do this. All right. There. Okay, I'm going to get some water. Should be good. Add a little more soil at the top. Let them hide in there. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so I put them out in the sun, as you can see. So we'll just see what happens. If anybody has any tips, please let me know, because this is my first time doing this, so I could be wrong, but we'll see what happens.